Hey, my fellow YouTube modelers, welcome back to another episode. This is the final reveal of the 1982 Ford EXP. This was such an enjoyable build, bring me back to my youth when I was in high school. I have to say, this kit was really fun to build. Aside from all the memories, it is such a classic kit. You know, the looks and the styling of the car, but this kit in particular by MPC, it's really well made. You know, I had no fitment issues. The parts were crisp and clean, very little to minimal flash, you know, which is almost unheard of. You know, there's always some kind of something, you know, that you have to deal with. Even the way the parts are mounted to the trees, you know, when you go ahead and clip them off with the X-Acto knife or a pair of cutters, those pieces aren't like in the view sight of the finished product. You know, so with a little bit of sand in here and there and the body hiding some of those mounting points, I couldn't ask for better. The paint, you know, I'm just pleased with the way the paint turned out. It's not exactly the darker blue that I was looking for to match my car from high school, but it's still pretty darn close. So I'm pleased overall. Here's an overhead view. Love the louvers. You know, something you don't see on a lot of cars today. I did some black washing on the wheels to give them a little depth and character. I like the way that turned out. I went ahead and took a white gel pen and went ahead in the body line there around the belt molding and just kind of give it a touch of contrast. Yeah, my car had a twin pinstripe and the door molding was a little bit darker, so I might go back in and darken that up a little bit, but I like the contrast of it. I'll move from the video into some still pictures now. Again, you know, I'm just pleased with the way everything turned out. And if you look carefully, I went ahead and hand painted EXP on the front quarter portion of the front fenders, just like my car was. Good look at the tail lights. Yeah, I see a little bit of Escort there. I see a little bit of Mustang. You know, Ford was, using their world car approach, with the European styling. So, you know, I like it. Well, I hope everybody's enjoyed this build as much as I have. And I can't thank you enough for tuning in and watching my builds. Have a safe and blessed week. This is Steven, the Scale Model Card Chief. I'll see you on the next build. Have a blessed day.